Top 10 YouTube channels for entrepreneurs. If you're an entrepreneur, chances are high that you're also open to innovative ideas and always searching for new sources of great ideas. One of the best ways is to see what some of the hottest niche YouTube channels have to suggest. These are the top YouTube channels for entrepreneurs, producing some of our favorite business building videos. Here are a few reasons why you should follow each of them. The Google Business Channel. This channel combines Google's big company tools with tons of small businesses in action. You can see on their channel how real small businesses and entrepreneurs face challenges and grow their businesses online, both with Google tools and otherwise. It's a great source of ideas, tricks, and suggestions, which let small companies from across the globe gain attention and connect. 2. David Siteman Garland, The Rise to the Top. Channel is for mediapreneurs, those who want and need to grow their online presence. For anyone who creates or offers digital goods or services online, this is a great channel with loads of useful advice. It's also useful to anyone who just wants more traction online, from an online channel or otherwise. Tai Lopez. Tai Lopez is a business advisor, investor, and consultant. Lopez provides tips on wealth, health, happiness, and love. He has created a business mentorship program that is an alternative to a traditional business school for those who do not want to waste time and money. He also recently summed up everything he had heard from his mentors through the years and turned that knowledge into something he called the 67 Steps. 4. TED. TED Talks focused on collecting some of the best ideas from the best thinkers, leaders, entrepreneurs around the world. This channel takes a step further in this process, curating the TED conferences and presenting them in video form. This is a fantastic channel for general inspiration and deep thoughts. 5. Roberto Blake. Always be creative. Blake's mission is to talk about becoming a creative entrepreneur, and his primary focus is on graphic design, social media, photography, unboxing videos, vlogs, and related areas. In reality, however, his work is useful to any creative entrepreneur, especially those who want to take concrete steps to monetize their work. Skillshare. Skillshare allows creators to subscribe for $8 a month as part of their mission to unlock universal access to learning. If you do that, you can access all of the thousands of business, architecture, photography, and other topics training and take them anytime you have time. Why Combinator? This channel is a must for anybody interested in startups and can add a lot of value even to those just interested in operating a successful company too. Here you can find how-to videos on creating and running a startup, podcasts with guests like Elon Musk and Anu Hariharan, sport videos about startups, and businesses from people including Mark Zuckerberg. 8. Robin Sharma. Clients like GE, Microsoft, Nike, and 15 best-selling books to his credit. Robin Sharma's YouTube channel have a lot to offer to business owners. Sharma's focus is on self-help business advice in a sense, and his overall message is that if you pursue your passion and do your best job, success and popularity will inevitably follow. 9. Starup Grind. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to link everyone in this community, to encourage members to learn from each other, and to engage in discussions with entrepreneurs from a variety of industries who can share their lessons and insights that might be of benefit to others. The channel also helps link entrepreneurs to monthly activities across the world. Even if you can't participate, you can watch videos to see what happened. Standford Business. The Stanford Graduate School of Business channel is a great source of information, ranging from interviews with notables like Facebook's Sheryl Sandberg and BET Deborah Lee to thought-provoking, informative segments on subjects like why Hollywood and Silicon Valley need each other and how women can overcome bias at work. Each of these channels presents a set of unique reasons to watch them and keeps adding value to their entrepreneur audiences time and time again. In a time when businesses are springing up all the time and guidance for business owners can be scarce, these channels for entrepreneurs offer actionable advice and guidance that you can put to work. What's your favorite YouTube channel? Let us know in the comments below. Forget to press the like button, it greatly helps out the channel. Also subscribe and click the notification bell icon for more content like this.